In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal in Payhip Guide. Let's get started right from your Payhip account. Open Payhip and sign in so you land on your dashboard. From here, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your account menu there. Click on Account to open up the options related to your profile and store. This is where you control the key settings you'll need for payments, so it's the quickest path to getting PayPal connected. Inside that menu, choose Settings. On the Settings page, find and open Payment Details. This section is designed specifically for managing how you get paid, and it's where Payhip lets you connect payment processors. Locate the PayPal area on this page. You'll see the option to link your account so your customers can check out with PayPal, and you can receive funds directly. Click Connect on the PayPal panel. A window will appear asking for your PayPal email address. Type the email that's associated with the PayPal account you want to receive payments into. Double check for typos. This is important because payouts will be routed to that exact email. Using a PayPal business account is generally best for selling online, but the process here is the same. When you're ready, click Continue. After you continue, Payhip begins linking your Payhip store with your PayPal account. Depending on your browser, you may be briefly redirected to PayPal to confirm access. If that happens, sign in to PayPal and approve any required permissions. Once Payhip recognizes the connection, you'll see confirmation back on the payment details page, along with a button that says Confirm PayPal account. Go ahead and click Confirm PayPal account to finalize everything. Follow the on-screen prompts until Payhip shows that PayPal is connected. You should now see PayPal listed as active or connected in your payment details. If the page doesn't update right away, give it a quick refresh. A few helpful tips before you wrap up. Make sure pop-up blockers aren't stopping the PayPal window. Ensure you're logged into the correct PayPal account in your browser, and keep your PayPal email verified so payments are not delayed. If your store uses a specific currency, confirm that your PayPal account can accept it. And if you ever need to change the connected email, come back to the same payment details area to update it. That's it. Your Payhip account is now connected to PayPal, and you're ready to accept payments smoothly.